Happy New Year, everybody. Welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. It is the first of the year, and you know what time it is, guys. In the last video, you guys won $20 of base ETH, and remember I said it was going to be the top comment that gets $20 of base ETH. But it's going to go to Pat. Pat, you need to hit me up on Telegram. Let's go spin that wheel again, guys. What is it going to be today? No way. Again. Oh, okay. Right, so before we do start, guys, you know I'm on my journey to 15k subs. But if all of you could go and click that like button, let's get into it. Now, Happy New Year to everybody. I hope you all had a great New Year's Eve last night. Guys, we're going to go check out the base portfolio again. There are some coins that are showing amazing opportunities to be picking up today. It's going to be going off in Q1. That means we've got 3 months to figure out exactly what base coins we need to be stacking up on our portfolio. But it's going to be a big year for all of us. Lives will be changed. We've got to get stuck in and make sure every day counts. This was me for New Year's Eve last night. I hit the C no, okay? I'm not going to say what happened, but we had a lovely little party time, guys. So again, we've enjoyed ourselves. Now it is back to the grind. And what we're going to do is we're going to start with Moonwell. Now, Moonwell is going to be one that has given a lot of you guys anxiety. Okay, I've got a little bit of hangxiety today because I drank too much last night, but the Moonwell chart isn't making me feel any better. However, should we start to panic sell our bags, or is it a massive opportunity? Now, we said in the last video that if we do break down from here, again, we got our 2 initial buy levels, which was 5 cents and 4 cents. Finding initial support here, but we are getting rejected off the larger structure. So if we don't either just accumulate along this 5 cent region, maybe 5 cent, 6 cent, 5 cent, 6.5 cent, like that, and we just come all the way back down, guys, we need 4 cents to hold. And if we do start to break below it, then, you know, we're going to be getting extremely low prices. But I do want to say, when it comes to Moonwell, very similar stuff to Aerodrome. And I told you guys this before. When we're up here, Aerodrome had a massive pullback all the way into like the max fear times, which was going to be around 40 cents. If well comes down to 4 cents, that's going to be a max fear time. But like I said to you, I mean, if you go and you check out this Aerodrome chart, forget the drawing, okay? Forget the drawing. But we had a massive super rally all the way up to $2.38. We then came from $2.38 to 40 cents. Okay, so buying at 60 cents, buying at 88 cents is not easy. And now we're at our upper buy level at $1.30-ish, okay? Massive cup and handle in play right now, guys. When we have that breakout from the neckline, you're looking at like a $4.33 coin or so. And that's just for the initial breakout target. So I did actually put in my members club last week. I said, look, Aerodrome's not going to fail. If Aerodrome fails, that's a whole nother problem for the entire base ecosystem. Okay, so if Aerodrome fails, you best believe that you need to be getting out of all of your base coins. So that is why I do believe that Aerodrome is going to be a top pick. I think Well is going to be right behind it, and then you've got some other plays that we're going to get into in just a second, so chill. But Aerodrome is looking good. It is providing a lot of opportunity for us in the market to be buying that as well. Aerodrome and Moonwell both at my buy levels right now, guys. Okay, so if you're asking me what I'm doing, they're at the buy levels. Then we come to my favorite options trading platform on base, and that is going to be POC Protocol, guys. 26k USD in Pegg has been burned over the last 8 days with 4 more days to go. They're burning it, guys. They're burning this Pegg to make it more valuable. Okay, so this is looking absolutely fantastic. 5th of Jan is going to be when it does stop. I do believe the team have got a lot more updates coming this month, and guys, I'll tell you this all the time, do not fade Pegg. Because when it gets to the end of January and you've continued to fade Pegg and it's gone absolutely ripping into the moon, don't come and ask me whether you should buy or not, right? So let me know if you have been trying out the options trading on POC. I actually saw this yesterday. This guy has almost got 1,500 Pegg from staking his profitable POC, right? So if you go and check out the price of Pegg today, he's got 1,500 at $2.55. So you're looking at you're looking at basically, what is that, 4 grand ish? Okay, you've got 4k just from staking rewards alone in Pegg. You look at the chart, finding support in this zone just above the previous high or the listing high. This is lovely. We had a massive pump into Pump City, guys. We have to have these rejections back down. We have to have these retests back down. Pot's going to be having a very, very key either breakout or rejection down to a lower pickup level. Either way, I'll be trying my best to get my hands on as much Pegg as possible. Now, who faded the Morpho call? Chart looks fantastic. $460 million market cap, $5 billion in total value locked. 100 million daily volume, base layer for everyone needing DeFi, crypto loans, etc. Backed by Coinbase Ventures. Guys, let's go check out CoinMarketCap. You see, at the time of that post, it was $460 million market cap. It's now $500 million market cap. I gave you this at a $300 million market cap. And in the last video, we were around here, guys, and we said that once we do start to break this descending resistance, that is going to be when Morpho starts to have its next leg up. So from our entry at $2.31, we're not looking too shabby right now, guys. Up 40%. This is just the start. You can see like, this chart on MEXC started end of November. Okay, so late November. Only really had a month or so of price action. And these coins that have strong fundamentals and are getting a lot of eyes early on. I mean, the stats speak for themselves. These are the coins that you need to be investing into, not financial advice. But you look at the chart setup like this. This is what I said to you down here. The chart setup just looks absolutely amazing. I wouldn't be surprised if we just continue to see moves like this. Come down, move up, come down, move up, come down. The next thing you know, we're at $10, right? So don't fade Morpho. I'll be picking up as much Morpho as I can at $3 or below $3 if Bitcoin decides it wants to have one final washout of leverage traders, it wants to have a fake out and a final fear event, which could be a massive sentiment reset. I'll be picking up more Morpho, guys. And then lastly, base token picks. Look what's at the bottom there, guys. Talent protocol. We haven't checked out Talent in a long time, but let's go check out the chart. And what can you see here, guys? We gave this accumulation zone, and I said to you in the last Talent update, whenever we're in this accumulation zone, you don't need to ask. And the closer we can get to the bottom area of the accumulation zone, the harder I will go. So it is looking really, really good right now, guys. I mean, look at this chart. What you'd want to see are these consolidations sideways. It hasn't been having too much selling pressure. It does look like once it does get to the lower areas of the chart at around 6 cents, 6.5 cents, the sellers do get a little bit exhausted. If we come back lower, maybe 5 cents, maybe go to 4.5 cents, that's going to be a major pickup, and I don't think it's going to last that long, to be honest, guys. Remember, we've got the higher targets at 13 cents and at 15 cents as the initial targets. From today's price, that's going to be between 100 and 140-ish% move, and then we go into price discovery. That's it. That's just a quick base update for you guys on the Happy New Year. If you made it this far, support the journey to 15k subs by clicking that subscribe button. And guys, I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.